subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The Vivo sub-brand iQOO has launched its new 5G phone under Z series globally called iQOO Z9, with quiet cool-looking design. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9 5G features a tall 6.67-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display, with up to 120Hz refresh rate, and up to 1800 nits of peak brightness support. It has a large 91.9% screen-to-body ratio, and it is protected by Dragontrail Star 2 Plus glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, paired with Mali G610MC4 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 8GB of RAM that can be extended up to another 8GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 or 256GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of optics, the iQOO Z9 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear that includes a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony IMX882 sensor, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. And there is 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 44 watts fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, with FunTouch OS 14 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 163.17 by 75.81 by 7.83 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The iQOO Z9 5G has been priced in India for 8GB plus 128GB storage variant at 19,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 21,999 Indian rupees. The smartphone is said to go on sale in the country starting from March 14th, in brushed green and graphene blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this iQOO Z9 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.